Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of social media marketing and how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss any future insights on digital marketing. So, without further ado, let's get started. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing, or SMM, is a powerful strategy used by businesses to connect with their target audience through various social media platforms. It's a dynamic process that involves creating and sharing content, engaging with users, and building a community around your brand. The primary goal of SMM is to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, and ultimately boost sales. Understanding social media algorithms. One of the key factors that determine the success of social media marketing is understanding the algorithms of different platforms. Each social media platform, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, has its unique algorithm. These algorithms decide which content gets shown to whom and in what order. The algorithms take various factors into account, such as user engagement, relevancy of content, and post frequency. By staying informed about these algorithms, marketers can optimize their content to reach a broader and more relevant audience. Creating engaging content. The heart of social media marketing lies in creating engaging content. It's essential to understand your target audience and tailor your content to meet their interests and preferences. Visual content such as eye-catching images and videos tends to perform well on social media. Incorporate storytelling and call to actions in your posts to encourage interactions. This will help create a deeper connection with your audience and increase the likelihood of them sharing your content, expanding your reach even further. Building and nurturing a community. A successful social media strategy revolves around building a loyal community. Responding to comments, messages, and engaging with your followers strengthens the bond between your brand and the audience. Holding contests, polls, and interactive sessions can foster a sense of belonging within your community. Encourage user-generated content to showcase authentic experiences with your products or services. A thriving community can become your brand ambassadors, organically promoting your business to their friends and followers. Analytics and optimization. To gauge the effectiveness of your social media efforts, you must track and analyze your performance. Most social media platforms offer built-in analytics tools that provide valuable insights into post reach, engagement, and audience demographics. Use this data to identify what content resonates most with your audience and optimize your strategy accordingly. Regularly adapt and experiment with new content ideas to stay relevant and ahead of the competition. In conclusion, social media marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses connect with their target audience, boost brand awareness, and drive significant results. By understanding social media algorithms, creating engaging content, building a loyal community, and leveraging analytics, you can supercharge your social media marketing efforts. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with others interested in mastering the art of social media marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.